Hi, thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right and occasionally do the coin laundry business wrong. I'm back in Arlington at EZ Wash and Dry. It is Monday, July 2nd. What's been done in a week? Well, there's a lot been done in a week. The Rangers have gone 4-2. MeTV has started running Superman reruns. And at the laundry, we have the facade just about complete. We've got the framing in for the windows. A lot of good stuff to see. All right, there you can see a lot more of the facade has been completed, all the way up to the top where the sign's gonna go, down to the end. You can see the framing has been put in for the glass, which is due this week. The equipment has already left New York and it's on its way. So we'll take a quick look up at the front, and we found a couple of, an error inside, something we wanted to make an adjustment to. All right. So we'll have a sign going across the top there as well, and you can see there'll be a door entrance over there, ADA entrance over here, and then the double doors will be going over here. So let me get in here, watch what these guys are doing. All right, so today they've been painting the roof all along. Whitening it out, cleaning it up. I showed you last time the trenches are in. And you see over here, we've got all the base frames down. The cover is in over the drain that catches the big garbage before it hits the city sewer. The two high efficiency Bradford white heaters are going over here. A little bit dark in here because they've covered it up, but that's going to be where the build-to-build changer is. All right, so what happened? We got out here last week. We noticed this wall was set back a couple of feet, which for the most part didn't give us really any room for an office back here. The electric's going on a wall over there, 3 feet clearance. So what we did, we pulled out 3 of the 35-pound reversing dryers, and we're adding 2 of the 50-pound stack reversing dryers at the end. So we made an adjustment, and there you have it. It's getting very close. You can see a lot of the roof work is done. Like I said, the equipment is shipping. We'll probably start unloading it Wednesday or Thursday. So next week you'll see washers in here. If you have any questions or comments, as always, you'll see my information on the screen. Love to hear from you. Thanks.